vote was nearly unanimous back in 2016. The Arizona legislature passing a law prohibiting cities and municipalities from banning the listing and use of short-term rentals like Airbnb. It was hailed as a win-win for everybody, providing an enormous economic benefit to communities looking to cash in on tourism. That is not what happened, and now there's a move to repeal that law. Susan Edwards lives in an Encanto neighborhood of manicured yards, quiet streets, and young children. And all was right with the world until December 2018.
We did not know that they listed it as Sleeps 19, great pool and game room.
Suddenly, that nice house across the street became a short-term rental. Party central for the renters, hell on earth for the neighbors.
They had said they were going to rent it to like medical residents. And suddenly we start having these, 20, 30 people and young women and, like sorority parties and this and that.
Edward's story is one being told across the state, where neighborhoods like Encanto and Central Phoenix and in towns like Jerome and Sedona, short-term rentals are contributing to a housing crisis.
That means half of all available housing in Sedona is for short-term rentals.
Democratic representatives Acela Blanc and Aaron Lieberman are sponsoring a bill repealing previous legislation and restoring local control over short-term rental properties. In the spring, the legislature passed a bill putting some restrictions on owners of short-term rentals. Lieberman says his constituents want more.
And they are not satisfied with the small steps that we've been able to do last session. They want to see more direct action, and the best way to do that is to give control back to the cities and towns.
It was Republican John Kavanaugh's bill the legislature passed in the spring. He's working on legislation which limits occupants and outdoor activity after 9:30 p.m. Kavanaugh says he wishes his colleagues well. He's just not sure they'll get the votes.